Hey everybody, I just got this Dremel Plunge Router. And I'm excited to find out how it can expand the range of possibilities in my woodcraft work. So I'm going to invite you along as I take a closer look at it. So first thing I'm going to do is unbox it, and then I'm going to give it a demo and try it out, and then I will give you my first impressions. So let's get started. My name is James and welcome to Homestyle Woodcraft. All right, let's take a look at what's inside. All right, so first off, this looks like it's model 33501, and this shows the various models of the Dremel tool. You will need a separate Dremel tool with this. It doesn't come with it. This costs about $25 on Amazon. All right, so we got some warranty information, the owner's manual. We got the plunge unit itself. It looks like it's mostly plastic, but it feels pretty solid. And then we've got an assortment of stuff here. Let's take a look. Okay, so this is a circle guide. This is the edge guide. I'll bet this goes with the edge guide. This is for the collet. This is for the collet nut right here. This is the guide bushing, which is used for working with templates. All right, let's see if we can put together these guides. So this is what it looks like with the edge guide installed on it. You'll see that the edge guide is below the plate. There. And then you'll see it attaches on this end with some screws with these black knobs on it. And kind of the same way back here. So, feels pretty good. And so now you just take this off. And this is the circle guide. And it looks like you would need to take these off of the edge guide and install them here. And then there's a little hole right here that you put a nail in, and that becomes your pivot point. They even include the nail, which I thought was very thoughtful. It comes with a little spot to mount the collet wrench, and it goes right here. So you don't lose it. So that's the unboxing part. Let's give it a try. So the next step is to install the Dremel into the routing unit. So I took the housing cap and the collet off of the Dremel. It just fits down into here. And then it screws in, like so. And I'll replace the collet down here. And then we're ready to go. Okay, so I have adjusted the router base to give this a try. So I'm going to do a little bit of edge work right here. And we'll see what it does. Okay, so the cut is clean and straight. It looks pretty good. All right, so let's try another bit. So I've given the Dremel router base its first run. So I want to share with you some first impressions. Overall, I really like it, and I'm excited to see what it can do to kind of expand my ability to work with wood. Dremel has such a huge variety of bits to use and other rotary tool bits, so I'm excited for that. It seems pretty sturdy. It is made of plastic, but it seems pretty sturdy. There's a one piece that related to the depth adjustment that's a little wiggly for my taste, but I guess we'll see how that works out. There's a little space so you can reach the button on the Dremel to push, so you can unscrew the collet to get the bits out. I found that kind of hard to get my finger into. I ended up putting a pencil eraser down in there to do that, but that could just be practice for me. We'll see. It took me a minute to figure out the depth adjustment, so I'll do another video on that, and I'll also do a video on the edge guide and the circle guide, so we can see how those work. So overall, good impression, excited to see what it can do. Thanks for joining me today. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos about tools, woodworking tips, and craft ideas. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.